Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to fill your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do on your keyboard is to press Windows plus R, and then this is going to pop up right here. So what you need to do is to simply type in this particular command right here, ncpa.cpl. Then click on OK. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to select your network and make sure you right click on the network. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on status. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to wireless property. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to security. And the next thing you need to do is to click on show characters. And with that, you are able to fill your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.